Dear student, today we will discuss characteristic of computers. Increasing popularity of computers has proved that it is a very powerful and useful tool. The power and usefulness of this popular tool are mainly due to its following characteristics. Number 1, automatic. An automatic machine works by itself without human intervention. Computers are automatic machines because once started on a job, they carry out the job normally without any human assistance until it is finished. However, computers being machines cannot start themselves and cannot go out and find their own problems and solutions. We need to instruct a computer using coded instruction that specify exactly how it will do a particular job. Some of the other characteristics of computers such as speed and accuracy are because they are automatic and work on a problem without any human intervention. Second point, speed. A computer is a very fast device. It can perform in a few seconds the amount of work that a human being can do in an entire year if he worked day and night and did nothing else. In other words, a computer can do in a few minutes what would take a man his entire lifetime. While talking about the speed of a computer, we do not talk in terms of second or even millisecond, but in terms of microseconds, nanosecond, and even picosecond. A powerful computer is capable of performing several billion, even trillion, simple arithmetic operations per second. Accuracy. In addition to being very fast, computers are very accurate. Accuracy of a computer is constantly high and the degree of its accuracy depends upon its design. A computer performs every calculation with the same accuracy. However, errors can occur in a computer. These errors are mainly due to human rather than technological weakness. For example, error may occur due to imprecise thinking by a programmer. A person who writes instruction for a computer to solve a particular problem or incorrect input data. We often refer to computer errors caused due to incorrect input data or unreliable programs as garbage in, garbage out. Jigo. Number 4. Diligence. Unlike human beings, a computer is free from monotony, tiredness, and lack of concentration. It can continuously work for hours without creating any error and without grumbling. Hence, computers score over human beings in doing routine type of jobs that require great accuracy. If 10 million calculations have to be performed, a computer will perform the last one with exactly the same accuracy and speed as the first one. Number 5. Versatility. Versatility is one of the most wonderful things about a computer. One moment it is preparing results of an examination, next moment it is busy preparing electricity bill, and in between it may be helping an office secretary to trace an important letter in second. All that is required to change its talent is to slip in a new program, a sequence of instruction for the computers into it. In brief, a computer is capable of performing almost any task if the task can be reduced to a finite series of logical steps. Number 6. Power of remembering. As a human being acquires new knowledge, his or her brain subconsciously selects what it feels to be important and worth retaining in memory. The brain relegates unimportant detail to back of mind or just forgets them. This is not the case with computers. A computer can store and recall any amount of information because of its secondary storage, a type of detachable memory capability. It can retain a piece of information as long as a user desires, and the user can recall the information whenever required. Even after several years, a user can recall exactly the same information that she had stored in the computer several years ago. A computer forgets or loses certain information only when a user asks it to do so. Hence, it is entirely up to the user to make a computer retain or forget some information. Number 7. No IQ. A computer is not a magical device. It possesses no intelligence of its own. Its IQ is zero, at least until today. He has to be told what to do and in what sequence. Hence, only a user determines what tasks a computer will perform. A computer cannot take its own decision in this regard. Number 8. No feelings. Computers are devoid of emotion. They have no feelings and no instinct because they are machine. Although men have succeeded in building a memory for computer, but no computer possesses the equivalent of a human heart or soul. Based on our feelings, tastes, knowledge, and experience, we often make certain judgment in our day-to-day life, whereas computers cannot make such judgment on their own. They make judgment based on the instruction given to them in the form of programs that are written by us, human beings. Figure 1.2 provides a summary of characteristics of computer. Number 1, characteristic automatic description. It carries out a job normally without any human intervention. Number 2, speed. It can perform several billion, even trillion simple arithmetic operation per second. Number 3, accuracy. It performs every calculation with the same accuracy. Number 4, diligence. It is free from monotony, tiredness, and lack of concentration. Number 5, versatility. It can perform a wide variety of tasks. Number 6, memory. It can store huge amount of information and can recall any piece of this information whenever required. Number 7, no IQ. It cannot take its own decision and has to be instructed what to do and in what sequence. Number 8, no feelings. It cannot make judgments based on feelings and instincts.